Sairam students, welcome to the next session of General Knowledge. Knowledge is the key to success. With this idea, today we are going to start next lesson. India is a vast and diverse country with many different cultures and languages. India has 28 states and 8 union territories, with each state having its own culture and language. In India, total 780 languages are spoken. With culture comes dance. Every state has its unique dance form, as folk dance. Indian folk dance is a simple dance and is performed for every possible occasion to celebrate the arrival of seasons, festivals, and some old social customs. Each form of dance has specific costume with extensive jewels. Folk dance helps to preserve the cultural unity of the people. India has a huge number of folk dances. Ankiya Nati is the famous dance form of Himachal Pradesh. It is originated from Kullu and Shimla district. Nati dance is performed on important occasions. Nati dance listed in the Guinness World Record book as the largest folk dance. It is performed by 9,892 dancers on 26 October 2015. Bhangra is the traditional dance of Punjab. It is originated in the Mazha area of Punjab. The dance was associated primarily with the spring harvest festival Baisakhi. In a typical performance, several dancers executed vigorous kicks, leaps, and bends of the body. It is an energetic folk dance. It is traditionally danced to the instrument dhol, and bolia means short sets of lyrics. These lyrics most commonly reference themes of love, patriotism, strength, and celebration. Bhangra has made its way to America's Got Talent, the London Olympic, and even the White House. Chau dance. Chau dance is originated from Saraikela district in Jharkhand. It is one of the most vibrant, colorful art forms of mass dance. It is performed during Sun Festival. Dance mostly themed around the epic stories of our mythology originating from Ramayana and Mahabharata. It is listed on UNESCO's World Heritage List of dances. Kachi Godi dance is originated in the Shekhawati region of Rajasthan. Dancers wear kurta, turban and novelty horse costume and participate in mock fights, while a singer narrates folk tales about local bandits. It performs during happy occasions like marriage, festivals and celebrations. Bihu dance is an indigenous folk dance of Assam related to the Bihu festival which celebrates the new year and an important part of Assamese culture. The dancing style is characterized by brisk steps and rapid hand movements. The traditional costume of dancers is colorful and centered round the red color theme signifying joy and vigor. A traditional Bihu dance is eye-catching and worth-chasing as it recites happiness and heritage of the Assam. The level of popularity of Bihu dance is such that it was performed at the occasion of London Olympic in the year 2012. March. March is a form of folk theatre from the Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh. March derives the name from the Hindi word manch, means stage. Originally, it was associated with the festival of Holi. Now it is performed on many occasions. Many of the themes are historical. Tales of warriors and rulers. March dance act as storehouses of local history and heritage. In recent years, March performances have also focused on contemporary issues such as literacy and landless labor. Rauf is a folk dance of beautiful state Jammu and Kashmir. It is mainly performed by women folk of the Kashmir Valley. It is performed during the springtime in beautiful costume. In this dance form, women line up in two rows facing each other. The dance steps are performed with the movement of feet while women keep their hands holding in chain. This dance form practiced with the help of mystical poetry, which is being sung and the dancers dance on the rhythmic poetry. Thayyam. The word Thayyam means God, and hence Thayyam dance is known as Dance of God. It is performed to worship Hindu goddess Kali. Thayyam is a popular ritual form of worship in Kerala, predominantly in Kolattu Nadu area. It encompasses dance, mime, and music. There are about 456 types of Thayyam, among which 112 are famous. Thayyam performers wear heavy makeup and adorn flamboyant costumes like war bonnet and breastplates. The headgear and ornament truly majestic. Khandavani is a folk dance of Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. It is a folk singing style involving narration of tales from the ancient Indian epic Mahabharata. Pandavani is accompanied by musical instruments such as harmonium, tabla, dholak and majra. Kali Nach is renowned folk dance of West Bengal. It is performed in praise of goddess Kali. Performance in Kali Nach wear a mask purified by mantras and dances with a sword. Here are given a list of folk dances. We have to match them with their states. In the first column, name of the folk dances are given, and in the second column, name of the states are given, and in the third column, answers have to be written. First question is Ankiya Nati. Second, Bhangra. Third is Chau. Fourth, Kachchi Ghodi. Fifth, March. I think you have got the answers. Now check your answers. First Ankiya Nati, Himachal Pradesh. Second Bhangra, Punjab. Third Chau, Jharkhand. But Jharkhand option is not there in the textbook. Before 2000, Jharkhand was a part of Bihar. On 15 November, Jharkhand became the separate state. So cut Bihar and write there Jharkhand. Next, fourth, Kachchi Ghodi. Answer Rajasthan. Fifth March. Answer Madhya Pradesh. Now in answer column, for first H, second G, third I, fourth A, 5 D. Next, Thayyam is the folk dance of Kerala. Bihu is the folk dance of Assam. Rauf is the folk dance of Jammu and Kashmir. Pandavani is the folk dance of Madhya Pradesh. Kali Nath is the folk dance of West Bengal. And answers for 6C, for 7th F, for 8E, for 9K and for 10J. Do you know, students, Kathakali is a folk dance of South Indian state of Kerala. Kathakali is a highly evolved classical form of dance, drama and music that is almost 400 years old. Minerals, pigments and lamp black are the main ingredients of the makeup. Students, we have completed third lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. Students, you can see three pictures here. These are the folk arts and tribal arts of India. First picture is Tanjavur painting. Second picture is Madhubani painting. Third picture is Varli painting. Students, you have to identify these folk arts originated in which state. Yes, Tanjavur art. It is Tanjavur painting is a classical South Indian painting style which was inaugurated from town Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Madhubani painting It is a style of Indian painting practiced in Mithila region of Bihar. Varli painting is one of the oldest Indian folk art. It was originated in Varli region of Maharashtra. Students have completed third lesson, folk dance. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.